What up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Jinx from Arcane and League of Legends. It's gonna be, I would say this one's gonna be a little bit like for intermediate. So, but yeah, it's gonna be like an upper body pose. She's gonna be like holding onto a gun, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. We're gonna go through this. It will be fun, and I will go through it step by step. But like I said, you might have a little issue following if you're brand new. But if you've been drawing for a little bit, you'll probably be able to get it. Okay. So let's get started with her face over here, and kind of like shoulders. Actually, I think we're just gonna do the shoulders. Forget the gun. We're just gonna do shoulders because her head's gonna be enough of an issue. So right now we're gonna go into the eye first, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull up for kind of the inner eye. Out for her eyelash area, and down here for the outer eye, and curve here, right here as well. Gonna go on this side, up, same thing, that top eyelash up, down here for the outer eye, and it's gonna pull back here. Alright, let's go over here for the eye itself, and the eye itself on this side. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle here. That's for the highlight. Dot, dot. Go over here, and I'm going to find the eyebrow. So the eyebrow is going to go up over here. It's going to be thicker toward the front. I mean the front toward the inner eye, and then out over here. Then this one's going to be a little bit more connected to the eye there. It's going to still be thicker here. Eye over there. Pulling down for the nose. Find the end of the nose. It's going to have a relatively small nose. Pull back here. And kind of the wing of the nostril there, which can be relatively small. I'm also using lighter lines here on the nose itself. Gonna go over here to the hair. The hairline is gonna be, I'm gonna find the middle right here where the hair is growing up. The hairline. Up. She's gonna have like bangs that are really long. They're hanging down. And it's gonna curve here, pretty much nearly touching that. And it's going to go down here. Pretty long. Really, really long. Up over here. And that's going to get a little bit thicker here. But it's all going to grow from the center point of the head here. Alright. Maybe we'll see some hair, a little bit of hair under here, as it's going around the edge. Let's go over here on this side, and we're going to find her face shape. Down here on this far end. Maybe pull in just a little bit. A lot of things are subtle, I think, when you draw like female characters. Pulling in a bit. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw from the chin area, which I found here, up over here. And it's going to lead up a little bit more. Line here. I put a little line for the philtrum. It's like this fold underneath the mouth here. Thin line here for kind of the top of the nasal cavity. The bridge of the nose. Sorry, I don't know why I said nasal cavity. Line here. And I'm going to go over here and draw the lip area. So I'm going to draw down kind of the center part of the lip. Pulling out over here. Up. Go over here. Kind of like we're drawing the part of the lips, really. And I'm going to find the upper part. So it looks kind of like a mustache almost, right? It's not quite that. I'm going to go over here and draw the bottom portion of the lip. which is usually like a fatty pad on the bottom there. And we're going to go over here and find the rest of her hairline. So it's going to go over here. It's going to be kind of flat on this side. So you can kind of alter that if you need to. And now I'm going to find her ear on this side. So ear, curve down. Bridge, line here. So let's find the skull now. So the skull is going to be here. We're going to keep it going here. And it's going to come down here. It's flat. We're going to find her neck, which is over here, down here. She wears this kind of collar thing, which is pretty cool. Line here, line here. And we're going to let her go down here, right here. Let's see. Yeah, like let's go down the shoulder here. And over here on this side, you can see the shoulder on that far end. Alright. Pulling in, because she has like this other kind of, I don't know what you call it, blouse? Like outfit at the top of her outfit. And it's going to pull down the sides. Right here. A lot of this stuff is really just kind of lines going downward. Because it's just kind of like, you know, I don't know, it's real simple. It's really just like the shoulders, like that kind of whole thing. Let's go over here and now the big part is going to be the part in the back here where it's the ponytail. And maybe it's going to go over here. You're going to see it come around here. She's got like two. Well, you can make it like this. So you can kind of make it like this bubbly shape. And at the very end, there's like a tube at the very, very end. And then it comes out here, kind of like that very end of the ponytail. You can do it again here. And maybe this time it's going downward. Kind of so it doesn't look too repetitive. And that toilet paper roll looking thing at the end, and then down here at the very end. So we have these two. What I want to do now is I want to throw lines here. See where it's growing? The hair is growing, and she has it tied back. So you're going to throw thinner lines going back. Like she has her hair back. And you could put these little crosses. That'll be very easy. You can put these little X's through it. This is a shortcut. A major shortcut. Just to kind of tell you. Major shortcut. To throw that X through there. That's what we used to do back when we drew caricatures at SeaWorld. You know? And let me draw a thicker line on the outside of the character. It'll also kind of repair it. Just on some parts here. Not the whole. This time not the whole character. And I think Jinx has more eyeshadow, so I'm going to draw a little bit of thickness here in her eyes. There's a little bit more going on as far as that goes. And then the front of the outfit has this X. Right here. Circle. Circle. Over here has this kind of X pattern on it. Where it's like tied, kind of like pirate gear. Alright. And that's pretty much it. That's a decent, like I said, short version that you could do of her. And it's like I said, it's just shoulders up. And what you could do is the obvious stuff, right? Color her hair, right? Her hair is blue. You can color her hair blue, and that's really going to make her look a lot more like the character that we know. But that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I can't believe how amazing everybody's been. I'll draw more there. And that's pretty much. I will talk to you later on, and I'll see you soon, all right? Hey, For those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.